there, welcome back to the blog. If you're anything like me, you want your home to feel stylish, comfortable, and of course, a little luxurious, without the hefty price tag. But sometimes, in our attempt to save money or rush through a redesign, we end up making mistakes that make our homes look, well, cheap. Don't worry, you're not alone in this. These mistakes are more common than you think. And the best part? They're usually super easy to fix. So, let's take a look at some of the most common home decor blunders that can make your space look cheap and how you can fix them to get that polished, chic vibe you're going for. Grab a coffee and let's dive right in. 1. Overcrowding your space. When you're decorating your home, it can be tempting to fill every inch of space with furniture, decor, and accessories. But cramming too many things into a room can make it feel cramped and cluttered, and that's a major sign of a budget space. Instead of packing your room with everything you own, take a step back and try to edit your pieces. Less is often more when it comes to creating an elegant, spacious feel. Try to leave some empty space on walls and around furniture. It will make your room feel bigger and more inviting. How to fix it? Pick a few statement pieces that stand out and give your room personality and let them shine. Less clutter means more breathing room. 2. Cheap, overused furniture. We've all been there. You see a super affordable couch or coffee table, and you think, this is a steal! But cheap, low-quality furniture can make your whole room feel cheap. The problem with budget furniture is that it can often look flimsy, have poor materials, and not hold up over time. Sure, it saves you money in the short term, but in the long run, it's not worth it if you're constantly having to replace it. How to fix it? Invest in a few quality, timeless pieces that you love and will last. A sturdy sofa, solid wood coffee table, or durable dining set can elevate a whole room. Don't be afraid to splurge a little on key pieces that will stand the test of time. Look for sales, secondhand finds, or even local craftsmen to get that perfect piece without breaking the bank. 3. Too many matching sets. Matching sets can look great in photos, but when it comes to actual home styling, they can often create a stiff, predictable feel. Think about those matching couch and love seat combos, or sets of matching end tables that look like they came out of the same catalog. This can make your space feel more like a showroom and less like a lived-in home. How to fix it? Mix things up. Instead of sticking to one brand or style, blend different textures, colors, and pieces together to create a more unique and dynamic look. For example, mix wood with metal or add a patterned rug to balance out solid colored furniture. This creates a space that feels more personalized and curated. 4. Ignoring lighting. Bad lighting can totally make or break a room. Too many overhead lights or fluorescent bulbs can make your home feel cold and uninviting. On the flip side, not enough lighting can leave the room feeling dark and dingy. The key to achieving a luxurious look is to layer your lighting. Relying on only one source of light, like a single overhead light, can make your space feel flat. How to fix it? Invest in multiple sources of light. Ambient lighting, overhead lights or soft lamps, task lighting, reading lamps or under-cabinet lighting, and accent lighting, decorative lights or spotlights. Don't forget to switch out harsh bulbs for softer, warmer ones to create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. 5. Using too much faux decor. Fake plants, fake flowers, fake everything. While a few well-placed faux plants or flowers can bring some life to your space, overdoing it can make things look cheap. Plus, fake plants that aren't very realistic can stick out like a sore thumb. How to fix it? Invest in a couple of real plants for a more organic feel. If real plants aren't your thing, look for high-quality fake plants that are super realistic. Mix in some actual decorative pieces like candles, books, or sculptures to balance out the faux items. 6. Not paying attention to scale. One mistake people often make is choosing decor and furniture that's either too small or too large for a room. Small furniture can make a space feel cramped, while oversized furniture can overpower a room and make it feel cluttered. How to fix it? Always measure your space before purchasing furniture. The right scale will make your room feel balanced. For example, if you have a smaller living room, don't overwhelm it with a huge sectional. Instead, opt for a smaller sofa and a couple of cozy chairs. 7. Lack of personality. A big mistake that can make a home feel cheap is when it looks too generic or cookie-cutter. Decorating with just what's trendy or buying pre-packaged home decor items can leave your space feeling a little impersonal. If everything is mass-produced or overly basic, your home may feel like it lacks warmth or a personal touch. How to fix it? Inject personality into your space with items that tell your story. This could be through artwork, vintage finds, or family heirlooms. Even little details like custom throw pillows or unique vases can make a big difference in making your home feel more personalized and special. 8. Skipping the details. Small details make a huge difference when it comes to making your home feel polished. Neglecting things like the quality of your curtains, mismatched throw pillows, or leaving furniture with visible wires can make your space feel cheap. How to fix it? Pay attention to the small things. Match your throw pillows for a more cohesive look, hide cords, and make sure your curtains hang properly. No dragging on the floor or too short. The little changes can add up and make your space feel more thoughtful and refined. 9. Choosing poor quality materials. We get it. We all want to save money, but cheap materials like laminate, plastic, or particle board can give your home a low-budget feel. These materials often wear out quickly, leading to things looking worn, scratched, or just cheap. How to fix it? Look for pieces made of better materials like real wood, solid metal, or quality upholstery. Not every piece in your home needs to be made of high-end materials, but incorporating a few durable and timeless options will help your space look more expensive and long-lasting. 10. Not updating your space regularly over time. Even the most beautiful homes can start to look a little stale if nothing ever changes. Holding on to outdated decor or furniture can make your space feel tired, worn out, and, well, cheap. How to fix it? Every once in a while, take a step back and reassess your space. Swap out old accessories, freshen up your color scheme, or even rearrange furniture. You don't need a full renovation to make your space feel new again. Sometimes all it takes is a few tweaks. Conclusion. So there you have it. The most common mistakes that can make your home look cheap and how to fix them. The good news is that most of these issues are easy to address with just a little thought and effort. With a few simple changes, you can turn your space from basic to beautiful, all without breaking the bank. Remember, it's all about balance. A mix of quality pieces, thoughtful styling, and a personal touch will give your home that luxurious, magazine-worthy look. Now go ahead, start making those changes, and get ready to love your space even more. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.